Hi, this is Maria from Pink Pony Design, and today I wanted to talk to you about the bane of the bag maker's existence, skipped stitches. Here you can see that I have managed to fail my turn, and then you get a skipped stitch here in the corner, and that is because I stopped with my needle not fully down. I didn't let the needle go down under the fabric and catch the bottom thread properly before I turned my fabric and continued sewing. And then you get these kind of little reminders of why you should do things properly. Anyway, it's easy to fix though. We turn it over, and here I have my threads from fastening the handle, and I'm gonna borrow one of those. I have already tied them off. And then I'm gonna go in the hole that you can see from my machine, and I'm going to turn this over again so I get up in the right place here, and this is a little fiddly. There we go. So you want to come up in the same hole as your needle came down. You go up and you catch this little loop that was supposed to be down. You stick your needle in, so my needle is under the top thread, and I'm gonna put it back down into the same hole. And then when I pull on this stitch, I hope you can see, it's gonna go down, and there my video broke off for some reason. And it's gonna go down, and it will look like there never was a skipped stitch at all. And then we just turn this over, and now on the back here, we will just tie this up with the other threads to make sure it stays. Oh, I should not talk with a needle in my mouth. Make sure it stays in place so it doesn't pop back up again. And I just secure it with a few regular knots. If you don't have threads on the back, you can just attach one to one of these stitches here and then fasten it in there. And now when we turn this over, we have a perfect corner. Thank you for watching.